Hi everybody, it's the RetroYuuki once again, giving you guys a special video for you guys today for the Mudae bot. And today I want to say thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 440 subscribers here on the channel where I do Mudae bot tutorials, Rin bot tutorials, and pretty soon other Discord bots will join in the fun. The reason why I'm doing a video for you guys today is not a tutorial per se, but how to support the project. So what I have here shown you is actually my server, the one you guys been joining ever since I started this whole journey. It started a year ago. Now I would like to say thank you by allowing you guys to support me financially. And here's how you guys can do that. I have for you a Patreon, which I'm going to tell you guys it is still under review. I'm going to show you guys right now how it looks like, so you guys can check it out. So what I have here is the Patreon. Now keep in mind that this is currently under review, as you guys can see on the top here. But I want to show you guys what you're going to get if you become a Patreon mine per se. Okay, let's go over what you get. So right now you cannot access this just yet because it's under review. But you can get my welcome post talking about the YouTube channel, where I came from, and all that good stuff. There are going to be two links into there. The first one is going to be my YouTube channel for the Discord bot tutorials. The second one is for those of you who want gaming content and my gaming channel. Now, what I want to direct your attention to, ladies and gentlemen, is my membership. That is where you guys can join the tier, which you cannot do so yet because of the review. But you get two tiers to choose from. You get to choose from the RetroYuuki tier or the Super Mudae tier. Okay? Now both of them have a Discord benefit, and I'll go over that in just a moment. But first, here's what you get with the RetroYuuki tier. You get early access to videos. You get the Patreon only updates. You get a Discord role called Mudae. They're supposed to say Mudae. That's my bot. That's my bad. And you get the post. Okay. And the Super Mudae tier at $3 per month. You get more. You get everything here plus this. You're going to get a chance to have your question answered during a brand new series called Ask the Mudae. I'm going to answer the questions left in the Mudae Questions Discord channel, and you're going to get priority. What that means is I'm going to answer your questions first. Then I'm going to go into the regular members. So you get priority. I mean, you go first. It's okay. I'll mention your name, whoever made the question. I'm going to answer that question on the video. Okay. Now there's only two tiers for the moment. There is going to be one more, but I'm going to tell you guys about that in just a moment. But in order to join the Discord, when it comes to the Discord benefits, you are required to join the connect the Discord button. Okay? So once you get this, you'll be good to go. Make sure you connect your Patreon and your Discord together. You must have a Patreon account and you must connect to Discord if you want to have these kind of benefits with Discord. Okay, it is required by the website. It's not my rule. Okay, now let's go back to the server. I want to show you guys where you can go in terms of the Ask Mudae. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this is my Discord server home. I'm gonna hide the names here, unfortunately, because I have to. And I want to direct your attention to our Mudae Questions channel in the help zone. All these are questions about the Mudae game or they are questions about some other stuff, like other stuff that I get asked a lot, like when's the next reset, or when when can I do this? How do I turn slash comment off? Which is the thing that's been going on recently. Or like how can I do how can I get my character and all these good stuff? So I'm going to answer these questions once I start the series, okay? And those in the Super Yuki, Super Mudae Yuki tier will be able to go first. Okay? That's how it's gonna go. Okay? Now, what if, let's say you just want to support my projects? There is an option where you guys can do that as well. So here we go. So when you join, when you become a Patreon, here we go. You're gonna get this. Whenever it loads, whenever it decides to load, it's going to give me the load if it wants to, because it is still under review, technically. Okay. Now there is a button that allows you to just support the creator and not use the rewards. If that is your choice, then I support you guys on that. Okay, but here's another thing. Any tier, including the ones who do not want rewards, will have their name on a video in a future video for the credits. So your name will be on the credits of that video, of the next videos, okay? Starting with the next one, if you guys become Patreons, and if they decide to officially clear my page for you guys to enjoy. Okay? Now, why am I doing this, you might ask? The reason why I'm doing this is because I think you guys enjoy my content a lot. And the fact that I want to I want to help everybody out as much as I can. And the fact that I'm doing game streaming as well. So any funds I do here on the Patreon will also go into my other projects, including the game streaming, which I'm going to go for an upgrade either on the graphics card or a processor. I'm running right now a Ryzen 3 and my graphic card is like a Gigabyte 1080 Ti, I think. That's what I'm running on my computer right now, okay? So that's all I have for you guys today. Although it's not like a tutorial, I do want to say thank you to everybody who has been supporting the channel, and I cannot wait to bring you more tutorials. And by the way, there is going to be another video soon. Troubleshooting Mudae is coming soon, so get ready for that. Number 2, edition 2. That's all for now. We'll see you guys later.